What animal has 3 vaginas? If you say kangaroo, you'd be right. And you'd probably have a job in the biology department because for the rest of us, this one was news. It turns out that all marsupials, which are mammals who raise their young in their pouches like this little ball bunch here, have this 3 vagina setup, and they also have 2 uteruses. So why does a lady kangaroo have a reproductive system like this? Well, the reason that there are 3 vaginas is because they've been designed totally differently to us. So they have 2 tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder, and they travel in the spaces between each separate vagina. But ours go around the outside of just one. So 2 of these vaginas are used as channels for sperm, and the one in the middle is used for giving birth. But it only forms when the kangaroo is ready to give birth. Wild. So the middle vagina is actually pretty narrow because of the urinary tract on each side. So the mother kangaroo has a month-long pregnancy before giving birth to a very tiny baby through this middle vagina. When it's born, it's deaf, blind, and only the size of a jelly bean. So it hangs out in the mother kangaroo's pouch for another 8 months or so before it hops out into the real world. What's really cool about this reproductive system is that it acts like a tiny conveyor belt for kangaroo babies. So while the joey is hanging about in the pouch, growing and getting ready to become a fully fledged outdoor kangaroo, the mother can mate and get pregnant again. Then a second and even third baby can grow in one of her 2 uteruses until the baby is a bundle of around 100 cells. And at this point, it just stops growing until she's ready for it to get to birth size. It pretty much just hangs about and waits for its sibling to leave the pouch the same way you wait for a tenant to move out of the flat you're wanting to move into. When a pregnancy can be paused like this, it's called embryonic diapause. Now you may have heard rumours about marsupials having a 2-pronged penis, so keep an eye out for our next video to find out more. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I think this reproductive system is pretty cool. If you want to hear more amazing biological stuff from us, make sure you hit the follow button so we can keep taking you on new and ever more interesting sex and space journeys.